everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start trading our Mega Dodo bird, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to join rich servers on Adopt. So let's get started. So this is the first step. You click on Adopt and you scroll down and you want to click servers. Then after you click servers, you want to scroll down again and you want to click exclude full servers, and you can join any servers you want. Next step is you want to go to more and you want to click groups. Yeah, you want to click groups right over there, and then you want to click more groups because you have to. Then if you clicked more groups, you wanna and you see that Sunny X Misty, that server, you can join any server you want. There's only 3 servers she has, but that is still good. There's rich people there, which is good, and there's another group also. You want to click more groups. Now you want to search up Roblox Army. Roblox Army has a lot of servers, and there's a lot of rich people there too, and they trade on the cave. I don't know why they trade on the cave, but they trade there. And yep, so as you can see, there's a lot of servers on Roblox Army. There's 8 servers, and that's basically my tip on how to join rich servers on Adopt. So that's it. So let's trade my Mega Dodo bird now, and I did a tutorial on how to join rich servers on Adopt. So that's what I basically did, and right now I'm gonna be trading my Mega Dodo bird. So let's get started. So I tried to offer this girl with an NFR turtle, and I offered an NFR kangaroo and a squirrel and this black neon thing. I don't know what that's called, but she declined the trade, but that's okay since I was under anyway, so. So I saw this girl, she said trading out for a mega hand, please help me get it. And I saw someone who has a mega ant, and I know that is her alt account because I got scammed like this once. And I offered for the neon scooter, and this girl said trading neon bad dragon for a neon scooter, and at first I thought that was a scam because I didn't know this scam thingy, and I tried to offer the neon scooter. I gave all my best pets, and then I got ended scamming. They left, and I decided to prank this girl. I gave her all my best pets, and I said, please, I need it, and and she said under what Mega Ant isn't even worth a crow or something. So